Hi, this is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I've turned a pair of jeans and a dress into a maxi skirt. So here is the dress that I want to use the bottom and the jean that I'm going to use at the top of the maxi skirt. So I'm going to cut right here when I'm showing you, and also use the rest of the legs for something else. And I'm going to cut also the dress. I do have to say, I love to upcycle. Okay, so I'm going to start first by cutting out the leg of the jeans, and I've used the legs of the jeans to make a corset. So don't throw away your leftovers. I'm also going to even the crotch out so that I don't have this pointy part into the middle. And then I've tried first seam ripping the upper part of the dress, but it didn't work. So I took my pair of good scissors and just cut the bottom out exactly on the where the seaming is, where the hemming is. And now, since I don't have a serger, I'm just going to run a zigzag stitch around the opening, and then I'm going to pin this in place and go over to my sewing machine. So here I am doing the zigzag stitch around the bottom part of my skirt. Okay, so now I'm taking my jeans and looking for the back side. This right here, I'm going to pin the skirt under. So I want to have some fraying after washing and drying. So this is the middle of the skirt, and I'm just going to put a sewing pin right here, and then I'm going to go on the side. Here is the side of the skirt, since here is the seam, and here is the side of the pants, and stick this under, and also place a sewing pin. It's not good. Okay, so let's try this again. And also do the same on this side in front, and then a few sewing pins in between. So I have my machine setting on a zigzag stitch, so the largest stitch that I actually have, and now I'm going to sew all the way around to sew this part and this part together. And if I can find my centimeter, here it is. So I'm going to have, like, for the fringes, about 2 centimeters. So here is going to be open. Okay, now what I'm also going to do next is I'm just going to sew the back pocket close, so I don't really like this kind of pockets, so I'm going to sew them to close and then cut off the excessive fabric. And for this I'm going to make a top stitch. And then after that, I just went wash and dry my skirt, and that's it. This is how it's looking like. Thank you all for watching and for joining me today for this short how-to tutorial. Comment below if you also love upcycled fashion. Bye bye.